Oh, hello guys, welcome to another video of Soulmate Pharma. Hope you are doing great. So today we'll be providing few updates regarding the job opportunities which are open in the current week. So please watch the video till end to find the relevant job for you. So moving on to the first job. So the first job is regard in Pharmalex. So this is for immediate joiners with 1 year of experience in pharmacovigilance. The qualification is B.pharm, M.pharm, or any BDS degree holder can also apply for this job. The locations are Noida, Mumbai, Pune, and the experience desired is 1 year. So if you are interested for this job, you need to just drop your CV to this mail ID hr.india@thepharmalex.com. So this is a whole PV job. If you have any experience in any of the activities of PV, like case processing, quality reviewing, then you can apply for this job. Next is GSS Pharma. So GSS Pharma is looking for freshers with pharma background. So this job is mainly for freshers. So if any fresher is watching this channel, this video, then it will be helpful for you. So you can apply for this job. Any pharma background, B.pharm, D.pharm, Pharm D, anyone can apply for this job. And this is again a PV job, core pharmacovigilance job, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So you can drop your resume to careers at the rate gsspharma.com. So again, freshers, please, if you are really in need of a job, then you can just visit their mail ID and drop your CV in this mail. So next job is again for experienced candidates. So it's in Indigene. So this is a core PV job. They are looking for PV professionals with 1 to 3 years of experience. And again, this is for immediate joiners only. The notice period should be 30 days. So you need to join within 30 days. So if you are interested, then you can drop your CV to this mail ID madhu.shivgonda@indigene.com. So all these jobs are for free. All these jobs are for immediate joiners only. So if you are ready for a to go to a job immediately, or if you are serving a notice period, then it will be these jobs are relevant for you. So the next job, again this one is for fresher at V Technologies. So this job is regarding medical coding. So if you have a good knowledge of physiology, if you love physiology, if you want to be a medical coder, then you can just drop your CV to sudaroli.c@vtechnologies.com. sudaroli.c@vtechnologies.com. This is the mobile number, and the job location is Bangalore, and they are also hiring freshers or 0 to 6 months experience would also serve the purpose. So any life science associate. So not this is not only for bachelors, but this job is not only for the pharmacy graduates, but any life science graduate can apply for this job. Since medical coding, this is related to medical coding. So anybody, so BSc, MSc guys, if you have done your BSc or MSc in zoology, botany, these people can also apply for this sort of this job. So this is a golden opportunity for normal honors people who want to be in the field of medical coding. So the next job is at TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, for regulatory submissions. So the qualification is B pharmacy only. So they are only looking for B pharmacy graduates, farm candidates, and this is again for experienced candidates. The experience should be 6 months to 1.5 years of experience in regulatory or clinical research field. And location is Pune, and the mandatory criteria is night shift. So you need to work in night shift, and if you are comfortable to work in night shift, then you can apply for this job. You can send your CV at this mail ID, the mail ID of this person. There are two persons. You can send your CV to these mail IDs, and they have also provided a note. Please apply if you fulfill the above criteria. So they are strictly looking for these criteria: B pharmacy, night shift, and this experience of 6 to 1.5 years, 6 months to 1.5 years in the field of regulatory or clinical research. So if you are willing to work in night shift, you can apply for this job. So this is another job. So here the job profile is reconciliation compliance monitoring activities. You should have 2 years of pharmacovigilance experience and MS Word experience, means specifically MS Excel experience, and mailbox management. You should have experience on this. Your designation should be drug safety specialist, and the qualification should be B.pharm and M.pharm. So the job description is provided here: management of various safety, reconciliation and compliance monitoring activities of clients, reconciliation of different safety information for client products, data mining and reviewing of FDA's adverse event reporting system and other regulatory databases, audit review and reconciliation of consolidated product list, global management of global exchange of safety information for product approval, not just cancellation and RSI updates, documentation, maintaining and updating documents relevant to safety reconciliation. So all these are the job description, roles and responsibilities. They have provided a brief idea of the role and responsibilities which they are just seeking for. The location should be New Mumbai, and if you are interested, then you can just drop your CV at hr@fidelityhs.com. So if you want to go to the reconciliation activities, then you can just drop your CV to this mail ID. So the next one is for document processor and document publisher at Global Regulatory Submission Support Team at TCS Mumbai, Tata Consultancy Service. The eligibility criteria here is postgraduate, life science postgraduate. That means you should be a master's degree holder with minimum 3 years of experience in document publishing. So again, this one is for M.pharm or any life science master's associate and having experience in document publishing for 3 years at least. There are 4 openings, and if you only have the above qualifications, then only drop your CV to the mail ID of this person of TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, Sharayu Patke @tcs.com. So next job is, if you are interested to work in contact center and night shift, then this job is for you. The role is the job is for Pharmacovigilance Medical Information Contact Center. So here you will be working in this area at Hyderabad, and the designation should be DSA 1, Drug Safety Associate 1, Drug Safety Associate 2, AM Managers, MICC, Medical Information Contact Centers. So the experience they are looking for is 1 to 3 years. The qualification should be Pharm D or B.pharm or D.pharm. Managing the team members in delivering the daily activities. These all are your should be your job responsibilities. Managing the team members and delivering the daily activities. Adopting any delegation and use of project assurance roles within agreed reporting structures. Application of appropriate technical quality strategies and standards to deliver the activities as per client requirements. Monitoring overall progress of all projects and utilization of resource is appropriately. Regular planning and monitoring of projects and intimate to senior management if there are any escalations. Support in writing activities, standard operating procedures, work instructions, and process related documents. Determining the root cause analysis for deviations, if any, proposing appropriate CAPA, corrective action and preventive actions, performing monthly review of individual team members, and providing feedback. Receipt of call source documents from different sources and documentation. Quality review of daily reports and logs as per standard operating procedures to arrange and lead team huddles. So this would all these you need to do all these activities you need to do as DSA 1, DSA 2 or managers. And the criteria is night you have should be flexible to work in night shift. So if you are interested, then you can drop your CV at this biopharma meet at hr@midconbiopharma.com, and they have said that you cannot call on Saturday or Sunday. So and there is also a mobile number you can call to this number for further clarifications if any required. So the next job opportunity is at cleanchoice.com. So here this is for ICSR, individual case safety reporting team. They are hiring candidates with 3 to 6 years of experience in case processing and quality review. So the normal PP associates, if you have done the data entry or quality control or quality active reviewing of a case for 3 to 6 years, then you can just drop your CV to surya.verma@cleanchoice.com. The location should is at Bangalore, Hyderabad. And if you have further queries, then you can also contact at this ID. So again, this job opportunity is for fresher. So this is in Cognizant. The qualification is B.pharm and M for fresher. So you can do your CV to this mail ID joe.sharma 181996@gmail.com, and the criteria is that if you have never applied to Cognizant CDM, that means clinical data management. So if you have never applied for any CDM jobs, then you can drop your CV now at this mail ID. All non-eligible CVs will not be acknowledged, so please say your and right time. So this person won't be acknowledging any non-eligible CV. So again, if you are a fresher and you just want to apply in the field, if you are just interested to work in the field of clinical data management, then Cognizant is providing opportunity to you. You can just contact this person, contact at this mail ID. So the next job opportunity is for clinical research coordinator at Mumbai location. So this is for fresher as well as experienced candidates. The salary, they have also disclosed the salary. It should be 3 to 4 lakhs. So, and again, this is a work from home opportunities. Sorry. So again, this is a work from home opportunity. So if you have any references, you can also add those references in your CV, and you can just drop a mail to this mail ID with the necessary details. Now, next job opportunity is at DS Infotech Limited. They are high recruiting for life science graduate. The location is at Noida and Mohali. Role should be medical scribe, physical assistant, education, life science background, freshers. So they can again looking for freshers. Must pose the skill should be must possess English, excellent English communication skills, writing, willing to work in regular night shifts, must possess basic computer knowledge. Benefits that you will get is PF, gratuity, health insurance, US holiday learning, work with supreme quality of medical domain people in the office. So this will be work from office, clinical learning environment that includes US medicines, US compliance and procedures. Weekly off, there will be 2 days weekly off, most probably Saturday or Sunday on a weekly basis. If anyone, that means you will need to work for 5 days per week. If anyone is interested, then you can share this your CV at this mail ID. This person will be referring you. The next job is again for freshers. So this week there are a lot of openings for the freshers. So this is again mm, related to medical coding. So they are just looking for medical coders, and held if you don't hold any certificates, if you don't have any medical coding certificate, that means if you have not done medical coding or not learned medical coding, then also you can just apply for this job. This is for freshers, so they will provide you with necessary trainings. They have provided the contact number, WhatsApp number. The company is Optum and the location should is at Hyderabad. Next job is for candidates with core PV experience ranging between 2 to 6 years from an educational background of BTS, MDS, M.pharm and PharmD. So this is again PV job at Indigene. If you are interested, then you can drop your CV at lakshmi.priya@indigene.com. She will be referring you. So this job is for Indigene, but the experience required is 2 to 6 years. So the experience should be core pharmacovigilance case processing. That means data entry, quality review, these all things. So guys, that's all for the day. Hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed, then please like, share and subscribe this channel, and to just forward this video, this link to any person who really needs a job. So guys, please do share this video as much as possible. Thank you guys once again for listening to the listening and watching this video and staying with us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.